sit back, relax, grab a drink, and enjoy today's Vlogmas day 22. I had to look at the calendar. So I'm on my first break. I'm a little bit bummed because I wasn't able to see this Christmas star last night. Were you guys able to see it? It was rainy. It started snowing. We don't get snow here that much. So the fact that it started snowing the one night, I really wanted to see the star. So I was very bitter Betty. But it was also the beginning of winter solstice. So I let go of things that were negative and tried to welcome in positivity into my life. So I hope you guys did too. And if not, it's not like it's too late to do it. So do it now if you haven't already. And I feel like just bringing the good vibes. And I feel like I woke up today not as tired, even though I literally didn't get much sleep. And I haven't had coffee yet today. It's almost 11. And I don't feel crazy sleepy. So I'm like, maybe this positive that I put out there and the negative I release all of the health problems, release all of the negative energy of the year, and just putting out good affirmations into the universe, I don't know. I kind of believe in the power of positivity, that it comes back, to you. So I think it's good to try to put positivity out as much as possible. And we can all be negative sometimes because, life sucks sometimes, let's be real. But I think if you try to be more positive, it kind of does come back to you tenfold. So anyways, I am just chilling. It's super sunny out and gorgeous. Oh, yeah, and don't mind me. I'm wearing that really cute outfit from the Fashion to Figure video yesterday. If you guys saw it. Ooh, there's a little sun ray right there. Hey. Sunny day, sunny day, sunny day. I feel real cute in it. Don't mind me. I took a shower this morning. I washed my hair. Feeling great. My hair is floofy, but it's there. Barely. My hair is so thin. Thin hair problems. Thin hair problems. Let me show you guys the snow a little bit. See, it's all steamy coming off the ground. You can barely see any snow there out by the fire pit. But yeah, there's a little bit more snow that way. Barely anything left. And we got the wrestlers just wrestling right underneath my desk because, that's normal behavior. You guys are cute. Jeff's second to last Christmas gift came yesterday. I'm still waiting on his last one. I'm really bummed because his last one is probably not going to make it for Christmas. I understand though, it's crazy. I ordered it early, but this one got delayed. And so he probably won't be able to get it till after Christmas. It said estimated arrival is the 30th. So what can you do? At least it's only one thing, so that's not bad. I mean, I'll just tell him what it is on Christmas. Okay, well, anyways, you're getting this on the 30th. Anyways, what could you do? This year's crazy. People are ordering more than ever. So, honestly, this year was really hard for shipping. And, he said one of my gifts might be late also, but he just texted me. He said, it looks like it's going to be here maybe today. So we'll see. We'll see whether it does or doesn't. What can you do? This year's been crazy. So of course things were going to be crazy with shipping as well. So I was really wanting to make some cookies, but I planned on making the cookies this past weekend, but y'all already know how this last weekend went. And I just don't know if I have the energy to get into baking tonight after work or tomorrow after work even. We'll see where the nights or where the days take us rather. Huh, sis girl, my little baby girl. She's such a mama's girl, literally. Did you guys hear that? I hope you did. Oh my God, stop. No, I don't want the kisses. Just relax. Oh, you're a good girl. She always makes noises. I feel like she's actually a goose because the noises she makes, she honks. Stop. She's like, oh, you're honking for a kiss or what? Oh, don't look so sad. I just don't want you to, literally, she'll make out with my face for years if I let her. She is such a kisser. She will kiss forever. She little love. And since, look at her, just resting her head, so sweet. She lets me hold her like an actual baby on my hip too. I mean, look at this. Can it be any sweeter? I don't think it could be. Oh my gosh. See, Gus won't let me do this to him. He will not let me hold him like this. He does not care to do that. He wants to be on me and by me and in my lap, but he does not want me to hold him like this. I love that she lets me hold her. So cute. Hey, Mama Baby. Are you Mama Baby? Yes, you are. Okay, so it is after work. Me and Jeff had a grilled cheese sandwich. He actually made grilled cheese and tomato soup. It just sounded good. Neither one of us felt like really doing much, and so he kind of just finished it up when I was almost done. We had that, watched some Criminal Minds, and now he is passed out with the puppies for bed. Jeff went to my P.O. box today after work, and there was a couple things in there. we're gonna see what I got. First thing was this gorgeous card from Leanne. Thank you so much. I absolutely love the card. It's so shiny and the glitter. I mean, I'm not sure if you want me to share what's on the inside of the card or not, but I appreciate what you said, and I wish you and your family a wonderful Christmas as well. Thing from Geeky Dust. So I don't know if that's a company, I'm guessing, or it's a nickname. There was no notes in it, but Jeff opened it for me so I could see what was in it. What is this? Yeah, Jeff checked. There was no note. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? It's a little Gus Gus. How in the world? That is so cute. What is it? Is it like, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you guys. I thought it was a little clay figurine or something, but like, how cute would that be still? But it's earrings. I saw the back. It's earrings. Are you kidding me? I wish I knew your name. Thank you so much, Geeky Dust. Please comment below if you were the one who sent these, or if you have like an Instagram or something that people could check out. I'm opening these right now. I'm inept. These are literally so adorable. Can you guys see? Little Gus Gus. Oh my goodness. Look how adorable. These are so adorable. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. How cute. Little Gussies. I love it. I am so corny. Stuff like that makes my whole day. Thank you so, so much. I just literally can't even handle it. Thank you for the card, Leanne. I appreciate anyone who sends me a card, an item, like whatever. I appreciate you guys so much. That is so sweet, so thoughtful, and I appreciate you taking the time out of your day to do that for me. This item I got, I already knew I was getting this actually. It's from Mindy, who's someone I met off Instagram, and she started a skincare line. So she sent me her skincare line to try out, and it is called, oh my gosh, I need to double check if it's Nara. I think it is Nara. I'm gonna have to ask her, but she has this calming facial oil, which I'm really excited to try. She sent her renewing cleanser. Wow, the packaging, 5 stars, especially for a new company. The fact that they're already using like glass, these are just beautiful. First of all, I love to shout out small businesses, and I just think that's so great. She's a plus size babe. I will include the Instagram if you guys do want to check her out. Obviously I haven't tried the products yet, but I am really excited to try these. Thank you to Mindy as well. I decided what I want to do. To be honest, I have to do my team meeting tomorrow at 7 a.m. and I'm used to waking up at like 8:30, 8:40. Oh, by the way, I don't want to talk about the fact that my neck is all red right here. I get chin hairs, you know, here, and I do get some cheek hairs too. And I use a finishing touch for them. And I guess I went a little too hard, like just watching my show and just trying to get all these little hairs. And I really hurt my skin. So be more gentle than I am, you guys, because then you're gonna have this mark. This is already day 2, so it's looking a little better than what it was, but be careful out there. It's hard for us chinny hair ladies. Well, you guys, I did want to do something more like Vlogmasy, but I'm just so tired. I have to get up super early, like I said, for my team meeting tomorrow morning. So I'm going to do something fun. Maybe me and Jeff could do some more Christmas trivia. I don't know. We'll think of something fun to do for tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching. And remember to just be you.